I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up notifications on Ally Online can really help you stay on top of your finances. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, look for the settings option in the main menu, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select notifications. In the settings menu, find and select the notifications tab. This is where you can customize your alert preferences. Step 4. Choose your preferences. You'll see various notification options such as account activity, transaction alerts, and promotional offers. Check the boxes next to the notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferences, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. If you forget this step, your selections won't be saved. Now you're all set up to receive notifications from Ally Online. Keeping track of your finances just got a lot easier. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.